Sobra nyo na pong dami, nakaka-istorbo na po tayo, and they're getting mad at us, and maybe we will not be able to shoot here anymore, which we don't like, because I still need to finish the movie. And I hope you understand that, okay? We can do that if you be very quiet and we take pictures in an orderly manner without ruining our set. In fact, you're beyond what is allowed. Kanina po, nandun yung mga tao, ngayon andyan na po kayo. If we don't listen, if we don't keep quiet, we don't listen to them, you will leave here without seeing them, which I don't like. I would like to give that to you. The only chance you see them, right? You have to follow instructions. So, kanina I did it by batch. Hindi ko kayo pwedeng payagan solo lahat sa kanila.